Hey, good weekend, everybody. This is Anna from HotOptionBabe.com. On the chart up here, I have a picture of the E-minis, and what I want to do is go over, this is a 60-minute, 20-day chart. What I want to go over with you is where I think where our retracement levels can possibly be. Now, I am by no means calling for any crash unless some black swan event happens, and we know from experience that usually that doesn't happen. So, and to be honest with you, there's just no reason to be bearish in this market. Pullback, okay, I can deal with that. And when I see people calling for crashes and stuff, I know that it's probably never going to happen. But I am short with some long hedges. Now, what I want to show you is what retracement levels I am looking at according to the charts, which I draw myself. And here we go. We could be topping out around 1232, 1234 on the ES. Now, this is what I'm looking at here, 1207, 1207. Next level would be 1196. Oops, sorry. And the next level would be 1188. Now, that pretty much coincides with some other respected traders that I also do listen to. There is a few cracks here in the DMI. Make no mistake, the bulls are firmly in charge. This ADX line, this yellow line, is the strength of which group has in power. In other words, the bulls are very much showing strength here with this yellow line being at 23. And that's really, really strong. However, it is showing cracks. There's a little bit of weakness starting to happen, and you can see the actual bull's line is starting to point down. Now, so is the bear. So, like I said, I think tomorrow, which is Monday, we could actually either see a little bit higher, but I wouldn't be surprised to maybe even see a flat or a down day at the end of the day. But for sure, it's coming. And I would say it's coming this week because OPX is the following week, which is 75% or about 70% bullish overall. Could be even a higher number than that now. And then we have the holidays. Remember, holidays, normally light volume, melt up, make no mistake. I'm looking for over 1,300 by the end of the year, around 1,313, but we shall go a little bit shorter term than that. Is it possible we could see this, where is that blue line? The 1180, that would be, it's actually 1179. That would be my line in the sand right there. That would be a 61.8% retracement level from the highs on Friday. Now the MACD is still in buy mode, okay, and also the stochastics are still in buy mode, although they are showing some cracks too. So that is now the 60-minute chart. I want to go and pull up, let's see if we can pull this up from my history. I try to do it in the Jing and then do the video on it so you can actually see. Now this hopefully will be the daily. No, we went right back to the weekly. Yep, right back to the weekly. Just bear with me one second. I know I gave Red Dragon a little bit of hell over the weekend, but when I read these, nuclear bombs on 11/6 because it's upside down as being 9/11, I just hate to see people trade off of just pure internet gossip. There's people that want to make money off of people like that, and so as nice a guy as he is, it's not anything you ever want to trade off of. You don't want to trade off of somebody calling for a crash all the time, and you need to trade off of charts. And when he does do a chart, he is pretty decent at it. But anyway, let's pull this up. I believe this is the daily because I know that We like to go by the charts, not by rumors and gossip and all that, because you'll go broke doing that, and just don't do it. Anyway, this is the daily chart of the E-minis here I have up. You can see our high was 1224. Hi, Ziggy, 1224.50. Ziggy's the cat I rescued from these horrible, evil people that were trying to kill cats, and their wrath is going to be on those people. But anyway, 1224.50. From our lows of 1,275 is 100% retracement. My gosh, is that amazing? Okay, this is why I'm looking for somewhat of a close pullback. Yeah, you can go above the 100% retracement level. There's no rule that says you can't. You can go 1.618, 1.168. I mean, you can go on and on. But anyway, I wanted to show you here the retracement levels here and show you the daily chart and what we have going on. The relative strength and the DMI is turning here. That's where some of the cracks are in the daily. The stochastics have been so overbought. Look at this length of time here. Look at this length of time that they have remained overbought over that 80 level. But they are showing signs of little cracks in them, and as well as the MACD. It's not showing a sell signal yet, but it is still in a buy mode. So we could have a little bit more to go before we actually see the selling come in. Maybe I shouldn't do these kind of jing things anymore because can't keep them open. But I just wanted to show you this parabolic move that we have had from those lows of 1,275. It's been almost a straight parabolic move up. So from here, I would tell you to be very cautious as usual. If you want to be short, do not go all in. Do not throw all your money in it. Do not even put too much money in it. Cash is not a bad position to be in if you're unsure. Like I said, I am short with long hedges for this week. We'll see how it plays out. If I see that it's going to break out above 1232 on the SPX, I could see 1238, and then the next top will be 1250. There's a lot of buy stop programs above there, so we gotta, if you're short, you gotta be really, really quick and really, really careful. All right, guys, have a great Sunday. It's beautiful here today, and I'm gonna enjoy the day and go to the gym. So hopefully you all will be around tomorrow, and thanks for all your participation and all your help, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.